In this video, we're going to show you how to use timelines to slice and dice a pivot table based on time. Again, these were introduced in Excel 2013. So we've recreated our makeup data in the file makeup timeline temp. So we want to summarize, let's say, how much did each salesperson sell of each product? And notice there's a date field here. You need an actual column with actual dates here. So these are real dates. That's very important for a timeline. But if I do a pivot table, insert pivot table with my cursor in the data, I can throw this on the right. That's the upper left-hand corner. Okay, now I can do this pivot table, and I'm going to do name in the row field. And then I'm going to do product in the column field, and let's just do dollars. That'll be fine for our purposes. So now I should have in this nice pivot table what we sold in dollars each salesperson of each product, like eyeliner for Ashley, Xerit, mascara, etc. Now what we'd like to do is slice and dice this on time. So all you got to do is be inside the pivot table and go insert where we saw slicers timeline. And you want the timeline based on the date column. Again, it has to be actual dates. And look at this incredibly cool thing. So I can select months, quarters, days. Let's do quarters. So I can pick any subset of quarters, hold the shift key down to have the beginning and end. Now the pivot table is for that time period. And if I do years, I could just pick 2004 and 2005. So one pivot table becomes many pivot tables when you use a timeline. You can pick any subset of time, and of course you can create a chart based on the pivot table. And if you use a timeline on the pivot table, then the chart will filter along with the time frame that you pick. This is really very, very useful. I can do it now? Yeah. In the next video, we're going to show you how to create a calculated item, which is like a calculated field, but it operates on the rows in a pivot table rather than the columns.